So this is what I ordered. It's like super cheap. It's like balang kiraya, but it's like super small. These are 500 ml, and this is like 189 cents per container, which is quite expensive, but whatever though. But it's a really good quality though. So I ordered like 25 pieces. So there you go. So I'm in charge of like today's iftar. So I'm gonna make roti jala and kari ayam. So this is the ingredient for it, and then this is curry paste. I don't know if you guys can see. It's curry leaf, and I've already blanched the potatoes, which I'm gonna put like very last minute. And then I'm also gonna be doing sardine kicap for our main dish. So these are the bahan. These are the chicken, and I'm gonna do the curry now. All of this spices to make it smells wonderful. Then curry leaves. So I already finished the chicken curry for the roti jala. So that's what it looks like. It actually smells really good. It's just that I haven't put the potato. I'm gonna put it like later at 6:30 p.m. Well, then we wanted to boil this for the second time. Now I'm gonna make a sardine, soy sauce sardine. This is the canned sardine. I'm just sauteing all the shells. Yes, my sardine masak kicap dah siap. So this is the butter for roti jala. It looks fine, so I'm gonna start cooking now. So this is how the roti jala looks like. Oh my gosh, it takes me some time to actually make the perfect batter for it, and this is the actual one. Tuh. Lawak tu. Pergi tidur?
Tidur tak boleh, lagi lemah. Main bagus, buat kerja. Tinggi kopi ni, kelihatan. Budak-budak mana mau itu. Kan di tanah Indo, tak mahu. Saya di pun tak tidur. Bilang kita pun bilang, bilang ramah. Pulang balik pulang, jalan.
So guys, I just baked this chocolate chip cookies, and it's kind of different recipe than I used to make, and I think I quite like it because it's structured and you pretty much know the actual size of it. These are 6.5 by 5.5 centimeters, so yeah, it's quite accurate. So the cookies are already put in the really cute packaging, and this is just for free. Literally 12 a.m. and I'm in my kitchen because I'm gonna make samyang. It's a samyang stew. So the reason I want to film this is because I'm gonna add a lot of like vegetables, some dumpling, and tteokbokki as well. I mean tok, like rice cake. So let's take the rice cake. I just made this like this evening that I made a few days ago. So these are all the things that you needed. Some enoki mushroom, spring onion just for garnishing, my rice cake, and it's frozen. I made this like just now. Dumplings. There. Let's chop everything up. Done. Put the liquid sauce in the 500 ml of water boil, then add the noodles, then the sachet. I'm gonna be putting this first, then the noodle, then after it's cooked. There you go. Now I already put the rice cake inside, and it's a bit of struggle for me to put. I put about 7 pieces of it. And my noodle is almost done. This is when you put your enoki or vegetables in here. Because you don't want your noodle to like be overcooked, so 2 dumpling, off you go. Okay, it's almost done. Let's dive in. So this order is 10 caramel and 15 original. So I'm just gonna start with this. I just made a purchase from Sephora because they're having their sale. I actually already ordered 3 things like 2 days ago when they first started their sale. But then I wanted to try like their skincare, so this is what I got. It's our Herbivore Botanicals Hydrate Plus Glow Natural Skincare Mini Collection. Actually buy the must, but it's super expensive. Like the 50 or 30 ml was like 200 something, so if I buy this with the sale going on, I got it for 135, plus you got like 4 things, so I feel it's totally worth it.